Most common error when you start to jailbreak with Unc0ver. So if you click jailbreaking button in the bottom, then it's stuck from here. What's up guys, I'm gonna fix Unc0ver jailbreak common error while you're jailbreaking. For fix that error, first you need to go to the settings in the top and put here restore rootFS. This method worked for me guys, and I tried with a few other methods but it doesn't work, but this method is work, but maybe it's work for you as well. And I cannot guarantee for each person or each iPhone this method will work, but you can try that. If it is not work any other method, you can try this. And now you need to click here restore rootFS, and we need to wait for a while, and after that he will restart, which means your iPhone will restart automatically. If not, you have to restart by manual. So guys, we need to wait for a while. In the meantime, you can click subscribe button and click the bell icon as well. You can subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends, then they also can do the proper jailbreak if they're facing this kind of error. If you have any doubt, you can leave the comment in the comment section. I'll reply as soon as possible. And in tomorrow I will prefer to come online, then you can tell all the problems about this Unc0ver jailbreak while you are doing. So then you can do the live chat with me, and then I will help you to resolve. Most probably those methods will be working, but if not, we have to wait till next update. So it's completed 26 here, 26 is completed. We need to wait till end that. Okay, jailbreak completed. Actually, it is not a jailbreak. It's not a jailbroken. You just do the rootFS. So then they say this the system need to reboot, finish the jailbreak process. Okay, right? You need to click OK. Now the iPhone automatically restart. Alright, it's restarted. So after restart, you need to start a jailbreak. If you saw here, if in case rootFS, which means a restore rootFS, same like before, then you need to go to the settings and turn off restore rootFS. Normally it's like that, and then you need to turn off. My iPhone is automatically restart. Sometimes it is not. If your iPhone automatically isn't restart, so then you try to do again. And if you do it 2 or 3 times, if it is showing here in the down, this rootFS button, so then you need to do a manual restart. And after that you need to go to the settings and turn off this restore rootFS, and then come here and click the jailbreak. So I'm going to do the jailbreak here. Alright, it's completed, so let's see. Alright guys, it's work, no error code. The device will now reboot into jailbreak state. So then you need to click OK. So let's see, Cydia. Okay, here we go. I hope you guys can see Cydia, and substitute is there. So now I'm going to click Cydia here. So it's working, guys. So this is the way how to fix that. What I did is, if you go to here, it's showing jailbreak. Now it's showing jailbroken. So if you want to jailbreak, it's showing here as jailbreak. Once you click that, if it's stuck here in number 2, so or even 28 or 29, that can happen. So what you can do is go to the settings. From the settings, you need to select restore boot FX and turn on like that, and go here, done, and do this restore and boot FX. And after that, your iPhone automatically restart. So after that, what you want to do is, you need to come here to settings again and turn off and click done, and then click the jailbreak. That will be work. If it is not work, sometimes it is not work, so then what you want to do is, you need to go to the settings and go to your profile in the top here and turn off Find My. You should turn off. I already turn off. If you is on, please turn off, and turn off your Touch ID and the passcode. That is not that important, but you better do that with Unc0ver. So, and before we start the jailbreak, you need to turn off your Wi-Fi and put the airflight mode and go to the Unc0ver and start to jailbreak. And now the simple trick what I can tell you. So this Unc0ver update take a little bit larger space. If your iPhone doesn't have a large space, please delete some apps what you really don't want and what you really not use, and maybe the games, and then start to jailbreak again. To see how is your storage, you need to go to general, and from here you can see iPhone storage, So my storage, I have enough space. So then if you don't have that, please delete some of the apps and start to do that. And other thing is some update file. For example, now I'm in iOS 14.3. if you already switch on from here, I will show you. If you go to general, in the software update, if you turn on to update automatically or download automatically, the software update file, which means iOS 14.4 file, already downloaded for your iPhone, but it is not installed. So it's getting too slow, and you need internet. Feel okay. All right, here now I need to download and install, because I put here download iOS update is disabled. If you're on that iPhone, for example like that, so then it's automatically download, but install is still not done. So if the file is there from here, this file is 14.4 updated file in your storage, you can see from there somewhere here. Please delete that, then start that. And if you verify, if you go to the settings, other things you need to do is, if you go to settings and if you see there are many certificates from here, please delete other certificate if you don't want that, especially for the jailbreak certificates, and go with Unc0ver jailbreak certificate only. So then that will be also work. So these are the basic tips what I can give you to jailbreak online. If you're getting offline, especially with alt stove, so there will be not issue, there will be no problems, you can do that. So tomorrow I prefer to bring a live chat. In this time you can ask all the questions what you have with Unc0ver jailbreak, which is released very recently, and we already brought you how to jailbreak as 14.3 online method, even offline method, and 2 online methods we brought for you. So then tomorrow I'll come online and try to give all the answers for your questions. So guys, till that, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon as well. These are the basic tips what I can give it to you to do the proper jailbreak. So if it is not work, these all are not work, wait till tomorrow and ask from me. Or you can put the comment here, or we have to wait till next update, which mean now we are in Unc0ver jailbreak v6.0.0, the first update. So it can have a lot of bugs, so bugs issues. So then Unc0ver will fix it, and very soon, that's why it's coming like v6.0.0, maybe v6.0.1 update will fix all your problems. Guys, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.